the petunias are really loving this space, and $3 rose plants from ShopRite, and they are thriving, and I couldn't really believe that this rose is $3. It's even bigger than double knockout rose, and they look like a cut flower to me. Like, look at the stems. It's like at least 12 inches tall, which I didn't expect. I thought the bloom will be this size. You can see the comparison, right? So the petunia is bigger than the $3 plant, which is known, and I expect that to happen for every other plants. But this plant, I thought this was white, but it started with the creamy green color, and then started opening up with a beautiful delicate yellow, and it remains milky yellow more than a couple of days now, and they are still looking really amazing. And you can see how big this rose is coming. You can see a lot of buds. So this is really amazing to know that like mini rose plant can grow this tall for $3. I wouldn't really expect such a good quality. So definitely good choice, and I think right decision to buy this plant and try it out. And then we have another couple of mini roses, and these are cute little ones, 1 inch, and this one also gorgeous. I am really loving planting these mini roses. Next year I may be planting as a border plant, but let me show you. Adding this plain white color as a border plant, it really complements this entire raised bed. They are really adding so good to the overall raised bed look. So I'm hoping to repeat this next year. I think white is a good choice because they don't steal the show and leaving the room for other colors, but complementing this, and even when you come in the evening dark, they look great.